For question number 6, we have to derive the effective resistance of resistors connected in series and parallel. So this is given in my notes, which is on page number, let me check, number 9, which is this one lah. Okay, so you have to derive it by according to these steps lah. Okay, right, so now we have to calculate the effective resistance and total current that flows from the battery for each of these circuits shown here. Okay, so firstly, what I do is I'm gonna simplify this two here. Okay, so this is connected in parallel. Okay, so in parallel, so I'm gonna label it. Firstly, I'm gonna label them lah. Okay, so R1, R2, R3. Okay, so if I simplify them, they are gonna be something like this lah. And then satu lagi resistor di sini. Okay, so this is R1, this is R23 lah. Okay, so R23 is connected in parallel, so we will calculate them using the parallel punya equation lah. So 1/7 plus 1/9 -1, and then so the effective resistance is just the addition of R1 plus R23 lah, so you should get the value of 8.94 ohm. Okay, question Roman 2. So this is, I'll label this as R1, R2, R3, and R4. Okay, so this is where the part where you need to simplify it one by one so that you won't do any mistakes lah. Okay, so that is the cell, and this is your R1. Then we tried to simplify R2 and R3 together, so this is parallel kan, so it would become something like this, and then we have another one here lah. Okay, and then let us draw the wire and then calculate the calculate R2 and R3 lah. Okay, so this is R23, this is R4, this is R1. So R23 is connected in parallel, so 1/10 plus 1/8 to the power of -1. Okay, so this would give you, I think it's 4.4 if I'm not mistaken. Yes, so this is 4.44 ohm, and then after that you'll do the same thing for these two. So this two is connected in series, so but let me just draw it again. So this is R1 lah, and then this is gonna be your R2, 3, and 4. This is your cell. Okay, okay, so this is R1, this is R2, 3, 4, and R2, 3, 4 is in series just now, so 4.44 plus 6, which is equal to 10.44 ohm. Okay, and then the effective resistance pula, this is in parallel, so 1/10.44 plus 1/4, is it 4? Yes, 4 to the power of -1 should give you a value of 2.89 ohm. Okay, right, so for this case, if you don't know where to start, just label it first and then solve it according to the sequence lah, except for this one R1 here is because you are solving it towards the battery, so start with this one dulu lah. Okay, alright, so that is the solution for question number 6.